both of us are young. Puppy love must have its day. Don't you know it's much more fun to love while the heart is young